Welcome, Joe here from Scarff Ford. Today we're going to talk about this awesome 2024 Bronco Raptor, one off-road vehicle with legendary off-road prowess. The Bronco Raptor has set the automotive press on fire. They absolutely love this thing. One of my favorite automotive publications, Car and Driver Magazine, they have a CD rating 1 out of 10, of course 10 being the best. They gave the Bronco Raptor 9.5 out of 10. This one's in pretty much near new condition with a tad over 3,000 miles. So if you like the options and color combination, it might be a great alternative for a brand new one. This thing looks beautiful in white, and just by one look at the Bronco Raptor, you can tell it's bigger, beautifuler, and wider than your regular run-of-the-mill Broncos. While looking at the regular Bronco, the Sasquatch package, obviously that one's geared for rock crawling. You have these really cool 35-inch tires with bead lock capable wheels. But the Bronco Raptor is a different thing. This thing has a wider track. You can see these gigantic fender flares it has. And this thing is designed for high-speed off-road stability. So we're not just talking about rock crawling. We're talking about going high speed through dunes and taking jumps and stuff like that. That's what they're talking about with the Raptor. Obviously, this can do different types of off-roading that the regular Sasquatch can do, but this thing is also designed for high-speed off-roading, desert racing, things like that. It has a 3-liter twin-turbo V6 pumping out 418 horsepower. 0 to 60 is a little over 5.5 seconds. We have this really nice upscale interior. The Bronco Raptor has a lot of standard equipment on it. It's a range-topping flagship model of the Bronco. We have this marine grade vinyl interior, which makes sense. You don't want leather in this thing, especially in off-road situations. Marine grade vinyl will be great for repelling dirt, water, all sorts of things, especially if you do decide to take the roof off and go out off the beaten path. And of course, we have this rubberized floor, which is equally as good for cleaning up the interior from dampness and dirt and things like that. And I believe it also has drain plugs if you get water in here as well. We have a lovely carbon fiber trim throughout. We have a great four-wheel drive system. This is an amazing four-wheel drive system with a Fox suspension. We have the GOAT, that stands for go over any terrain, and it literally can pretty much go over any terrain. No hyperbole there. Nice thick-rimmed leather-wrapped steering wheel, contoured. We have carbon fiber accents on it. We have a selector right here. We have a button to control, makes changes to the steering. We have sport, normal, and comfort. Then it looks like we have some presets as well, where you can use our R button to select through different presets. Then you can control the dampers. You have off-road, normal, and sport. And then you have a configurable exhaust system. You have sport, Baja, quiet, and normal. Pretty cool. Huge navigation screen, great infotainment system. We have a rear parking camera as well as an overhead camera. You can see a nice video of our photo booth. Heated steering wheel, heated seats, nice wireless charging pad. Here we have the buttons to control the locking differentials, and then we have the auxiliary switches up here. Nice leather, synthetic leather and stitching on the dashboard. Very nice upscale interior for a vehicle that's designed to do some serious off-roading. Everywhere you look, you see carbon fiber accents, very comfortable and supportive seats, and we have the Raptor insignia embroidered right there in the middle. This thing looks fantastic in white, and if you are going to go off-road when you're encountering brush and sticks and rubbing up against stuff, black and darker colors is going to get scratched up a lot easier, where white's the complete opposite. White's going to kind of hold up and surface imperfection scratches, which are going to happen if you're going to go off-road. It's not going to show up quite as much on a white car versus a dark color like black. Side steps make it easier to get in and out. This is definitely a lot higher ride height than your average Bronco. It was actually, when they had the Sasquatch version of the Bronco first come out, it was the first production vehicle to have 35-inch tires. But with the Raptor, they won up it even more with these factory 37-inch tires. Absolutely humongous. The Bronco Raptor is exclusively offered with 4 doors, making it kind of a family-friendly vehicle. And it actually drives really nice on road. You'd be surprised how nice it drives on road. Don't take my word for it. Read some automotive reviews of the Bronco Raptor, and they say it's actually a lot of fun. It has a nice compliant ride. It's easy to drive around town. Obviously, it's a little bit wider than your average Bronco, but that's a sacrifice you're gonna have to make for high-speed off-road stability. Generous cargo space in the back. We have a nice cargo area protector. These rubberized mats are really nice and helpful. We have a nice cargo rack back here. We got a standard tow hitch. When properly equipped, you can tow up to 4,500 pounds of the Bronco Raptor. Not too bad. This thing really looks cool. You're gonna get looks and compliments wherever you go. It has a really kind of exotic, you know, modified off-road look for something that comes right out of the factory looking just like this. Pretty amazing feat on Ford's part to offer a production vehicle that really looks and functions as well as this thing does. There's that awesome 3-liter twin turbo V6, 418 horsepower, and this can go 0 to 60 in 5.5 seconds. That's pretty quick. Well, there you have it, a beautiful example of a 2024 Bronco Raptor. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.